We all love women. I can only pray and hope you do, bro. We all love women. But no one wants to be married. Are you with me? Men, because a real man is responsible. Trust me, you loving women doesn't make you straight. We love women. But no one loves to be married. That's why we love haram. That's why we love zina. That's why we love girlfriends. You think you're a man, but qasam by Allah, you're nothing but a coward. Because a real man gets married, doesn't sleep around, doesn't mislead innocent girls into making them think he's going to marry him, and takes them out and does this and does that. We can blame her all day long. You and I both know he's misleading her. She's vulnerable. He comes to her at a time, plays with her mind, and then she foolishly does silly things with him. And then once he gets what he wants, you're old news. We love women, but we don't like to be married. We love money, but we don't want to work. There used to be a time when a man used to take honor, that he used to work hard. He used to take honor when he used to look at his hands, and there used to be cracks in his skin. That used to be a form of honor for him, that he works for his living. We love money, but we don't want to work. We love kids. We love kids. We love children, but no one wants to be a father. No one wants to be a father. Do you think having a child makes you a man, my brother? Habibi, I know, without any disrespect, you know dogs, the animal. A dog will sleep with another and he'll have up to 8 babies, 8 pups in 1 liter. Does that make him a man? Does that make him a man? We love kids. Aren't they cute, bro? But no one wants to be a father. We love Allah. We love Allah. But no one wants deen. We love Muhammad sallallahu alayhi. Brother, when you say his name, I get a chill in my spine, brother. Please, man. That's the Prophet, brother. And we come out in loads, and we'll parade, and we'll sing, and we'll dance, and we'll protest, and we will shorten, and we will act, and Muhammad, brother, and we love Muhammad, but no one wants his sunnah. We love Jannah, but no one wants to die. A real man who knows that I can't have the pie and leave it to you. A real man knows that in getting married, there's honor. It's not easy. Qasam, it's not easy, but it wasn't supposed to be easy. When they say it's half of your faith, there's a reason for it. Responsibility. A real man is responsible. A real man is accountable. A real man is honorable. A real man is generous. A real man is loving, he's compassionate, he's merciful, he's understanding, he's wise, he's practicing. He acknowledges when he makes a mistake. A real man acknowledges when he makes a mistake. We don't acknowledge our mistakes, man.